Hello students. In the previous video, I showed you how you can go to your teacher's Canvas course, click on the live lessons to see which platform your teachers are using for their live lessons. One of the platforms that teachers will use is Zoom. With Zoom, the teachers will enable a waiting room and they will only allow you in the course if your first and last name match the roster for that course at that's meeting at that particular time. Some of you may have previously used a different name or a nickname, or you may have signed in with a different account. So I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Zoom meetings to make sure that it's showing the correct name, first and last name. The first thing you need to do is to get the meeting ID and password from the live lessons page for your teacher. Once you have the meeting ID and password, you want to then go to the website zoom.us. Once you go to zoom.us, you want to click sign in, and you want to sign in using your CMS Google account. This will ensure that your correct name is being seen by the teacher in the waiting room and that they will allow you to enter class. So you see here I have my CMS account and I'm going to select it. I'm going to put in my password. Once I've done that, I'm going to click join a meeting in the top right hand corner, and it will prompt me to include my meeting ID. So I'm going to put in a sample meeting ID. And I'm going to click join. Once you click join, it's going to then prompt you to put in a password. Keep in mind that the password is case sensitive. So if any letters in the password is uppercase, you need to make sure that you make it uppercase when you put the password in. After you put in the password, click join meeting. Then you will be prompted that you are in the waiting room and the host will let you in. And then you can be assured that the teacher is seeing your first and last name as it is in the CMS PowerSchool when you log in this way. If you have any additional questions, please be sure to complete the Student Technology Support Form by going to the link bit.ly/student Chromebook issue. Thank you and have a great day.